Have you ever walked into a room, seen a face, or heard a sentence, and suddenly you feel like you've lived that exact moment before? Not just similar, identical? What if I told you that deja vu might be a glitch in how your brain processes time? Or could it be evidence that you're tapping into memories from a parallel universe? Sounds crazy? Well, scientists, psychologists, and even philosophers have been debating this for centuries. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand why deja vu happens, but you might just start questioning the very nature of your reality. What is deja vu? The term deja vu comes from French meaning already seen, but it's not just seeing, it's an overwhelming feeling that you've experienced a moment before, almost like your brain is playing a scene from a movie, but no one else remembers it. About 60-80% of people report experiencing deja vu at least once in their lifetime, and it's most common between the ages of 15 and 25. Why that age? We'll get to that. But first, is this all in our heads, or is our brain picking up on something real? The brain's glitch theory. One of the leading scientific explanations is the memory mismatch theory. Your brain is constantly processing things, what you see, hear, smell, touch, all at lightning speed. Sometimes your short term memory accidentally gets stored in your long term memory banks. So when you experience it a moment later, your brain goes like, hey, I've seen this before. Think of it like saving a file in the wrong folder. Some neurologists even suggest it's a small seizure like blip in the temporal lobe, the part of your brain responsible for memory and recognition. So basically, deja vu could just be your brain sneezing. The simulation theory. Okay, ready to get weird? What if deja vu is proof that we are living in a simulation? According to simulation theory, our entire reality could be a hyper realistic computer program. Deja vu moments are then seen as glitches. Like when something in the code goes wrong, you walk into a scene that's been rendered before but wasn't meant to trigger your conscious awareness. Elon Musk even said there's a 1 in billions chance that we're in base reality. Creepy, right? The consciousness overlap. Some spiritual thinkers and quantum theorists believe deja vu could be your consciousness tapping into alternate timelines. Imagine your brain briefly syncing with another version of you in a different reality, experiencing that same moment. It's like cross frequency radio signals of the multiverse getting tangled. Suddenly, your current self gets a flash from that parallel life, a peek into a version of reality you're not even aware exists. Deja vu in dreams. Another theory, deja vu is just your dreams catching up with you. Our brains process tons of information while we sleep. Sometimes we dream of situations that feel mundane and forget them instantly. Days, weeks, or even months later, we walk into a moment that matches that forgotten dream. Suddenly, your subconscious screams, you've been here before. It's not prophecy, just a stored image buried deep inside. Why it happens more in young adults? Deja vu happens most often in young adults. Why? Because their brains are super active in building and sorting memories. Think of it as high speed data transfer. The more data flowing, the more likely there'll be a processing error. That's why it tends to fade as we age. Our memory systems become slower, more rigid, and less prone to overlaps. Final thoughts. So, what is deja vu really? A brain glitch, a dream echo, a simulation slip? The truth is, no one knows exactly. And maybe that's what makes it so hauntingly beautiful. It's one of those few mysteries that science, philosophy, and even spirituality all claim a piece of. Whatever the cause, it reminds us how mysterious the human brain really is. Next time you feel deja vu, pause, take it in, ask yourself what really just happened. Because maybe, just maybe, you're not imagining it at all. If you enjoyed this dive into the brain's biggest mystery, hit that like button, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss another mind bending episode. Comment below with your weirdest deja vu experience. We'll feature the best one in our next video.